I know the last few months, football in many ways has been put into perspective of what role it plays in life, in the case of Bradley Lowery. And I know you've been staying obviously very, very close to the family, and that's been something that's been very important to you.
Give him 2 minutes, yeah? Yeah, it's been difficult. It's been hard because I've just kept this in for so long. Obviously trying to be strong for like my family and his family as well. But I don't know, I don't really know how to sort of like put in words how I really feel, because it was just a special time really, having that sort of like relationship with Brad. From that sort of like first moment I met him, and I just couldn't believe that he was actually the young kid that was ill, because he sort of like ran over to me. I just think from that moment, it was just like just that instant connection. Obviously I knew he was going to be mascot, but obviously I hadn't seen a picture of him, so I didn't really know, and he just ran over to me. I thought, okay, then this must be little Brad's and stuff like that. But just his energy in the change rooms, bossing the other little kids around and stuff like that, you know, just great character. But all I can say really, I mean, I speak to, you know, the family every day. I was with him a few days ago, and it was tough to see him obviously suffer like that. In a way, I felt like I was prepared for it, because what I've been through previously with my dad. But it was just so tough to actually see a kid that, you know, of that age, that's been going through this for so long, and obviously got to the stage where, I mean, you know, there's a lot of stuff on social media where he's obviously struggling, and I can say it's probably a matter of days. But I mean, he would always be in my heart, you know, for the rest of my life. And you know, what can I say? I mean, the family know that. Not only me, but my whole family, we're there for the family, you know, even going forward. But it's just, it's difficult, and I suppose it puts stuff into perspective. I mean, there's not a day that goes past where, you know, where I don't wake up in the morning and sort of like check my phone or think about little Bradley, because his love's genuine, and I can see it in his eyes when he looks at me. So it's just, it's special, so yeah.